5 cheapest countries to live in Europe. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. If you are new here, then please subscribe our channel and click the bell button for our upcoming videos. In this video, we will take a look at the 5 cheapest countries to live in Europe. Number 5. Bosnia and Herzegovina. Bosnia and Herzegovina is a highly sought-after destination, known for offering an exceptional and affordable lifestyle in the heart of the Balkan region. Residents get to witness the well-preserved Ottoman architecture in some parts of the country, enjoy access to numerous economic opportunities, and relish the mesmerizing natural beauty it offers. A single individual can live here for $990, according to Expatistan. Number 4. Moldova. The landlocked country of Moldova is not only affordable to live in, but is also considered to be safe and peaceful. The total cost of living expenditures for a single individual in the country is estimated to be $1,074 only. It also boasts plenty of parks, botanical gardens, and unspoiled countryside for enjoying the outdoors. Number 3. Belarus. Reasonable housing costs, affordable living, and low taxes. Quality Belarus as a popular destination to live in. Food, transportation, and other essential expenses are relatively affordable for both the locals and expatriates. Also called the lungs of Europe, the country is filled with forests, lakes, and rivers, adding to the beauty and appeal of the country. Number 2. North Macedonia. North Macedonia is one of the cheapest countries to live in Europe. Vast economic opportunities, cultural attractions, and political stability attract expats to this country. The country is also revered for its scenic landscapes, traditional festivals, and historical sites. It also offers a universal healthcare system, granting access to basic health services to citizens and legal residents. Number 1. Turkey. Another cheapest country to live in Europe is Turkey. Owing to its reasonable living costs, picturesque landscapes, and modern amenities, it is quickly becoming a top destination for foreigners. From stunning beaches along the Mediterranean and Aegean coasts to lush forests and snow-capped mountains, living in the country is no less than a beautiful dream. The country also enjoys a good healthcare system, delicious cuisine, and various economic opportunities. Guys, I hope you like this video. If you like this, then please subscribe our channel and share this video.